Hi there, welcome to the sale of this Mitsubishi L200. This is a late 2019 on a 69 plate, so it's Euro 6 ULEZ compliant vehicle. The double cabin pickup is capable of towing 3,100 kilograms or 3,500 kilograms with a triaxle trailer. Has a colour coded hardtop canopy fitted with the side sliding glass units. It's got the roof bars on it. It's all lined inside. Very nice option to have included in the vehicle. Fitted side steps, the alloy wheels, the wash on the headlamps. This truck comes with Apple CarPlay, digital climate control, a reverse camera, 6-speed manual gearbox. Let me take you around and show you it. So it's the SJS Hardtop canopy. It's got the privacy glass on it. It's got the rear spoiler on the back with a high level brake light. It's got the roof bars there. You could put the spreader bars on there and carry some items up on the top as well if you'd like to do that. It's got some good all-terrain tyres on the truck all the way around. Rear bumper step. There's the reverse camera. The bulkhead glass is a sliding glass unit as well, so you can get some ventilation in there as well. It's all lined inside in this hardtop canopy. 3 clamps holding that on either side. Interior light on that top as well, on that hardtop is on the inside there as well. Body light, fitted body liner. So yeah, these trucks, 150 brake horsepower, good economical engine, powerful, lots of torque there as well, capable of towing big heavy items, big trailers, not a problem. Airbag in the driver's seat, 4-door electric windows, retractable electric mirrors, lane departure warning down there, traction control and crash prevention warning as well. Cruise control on this truck, radio controls, Bluetooth telephone, all on the steering wheel. Apple CarPlay on that monitor with the digital climate. It's got auxiliary plugins down there, HDMI. Selectable forward drive, so it runs in 2-wheel drive pretty much all the time. Forward drive is there for high, and then you can lock it in for high, and low ratio gearbox is there as well for the occasions where you may need it, the conditions you may find yourself in. 42,000 miles, just under 43,000 miles. Isofix seating in the rear for children's seats, little toggle here in the rear, locking wheel nuts over there on the wheel brace, the stalk to release the spare wheel, and the jack. Nice little void in behind the seats there as well. Put a few items. So good no nonsense pickup, ready to go to work or to use for whatever it is you may need to use one for. Nice specification. Start it up. So it all comes alive, all the lights come on, all the lights begin to go off. Mitsubishi Motors just starting to light up on the monitor there. So start, stop. Once you put your seatbelt on, that little start stop emblem will go out. Air conditioning is nice and cool in here. Digital radio, all your apps are there. AM, FM, USB, iPod, and like I said, you can mirror your telephone, so you can get your sat nav up off your telephone through Apple CarPlay. And just show you the reverse camera. Reverse camera there, good visibility out the back, very bright. Probably hottest day of the year actually here today, but great visibility. It doesn't have a tow bar on, but a tow bar is not that expensive to fit on these trucks. That can be done at 35 degrees here in Wiltshire today. So this Mitsubishi L200 Warrior is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're at Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. You're more than welcome to come out and view this truck. We can go out and drive it if you like it. We will consider a part exchange. And we can give quotes for finance if that helps. We can quote to have the vehicle delivered to your premises if that helps as well. We recommend and encourage everyone to come out and see the vehicles in person if you possibly can. It's the best way to buy the vehicles, touch them, feel them, smell them, and drive them, I think is the best way. Spend a lot of money, see exactly what it is you're getting. They use pickup trucks. This is a good pickup truck. It'll make a good working vehicle for somebody. So yeah, please do give us a call on 01380 818 311 or email us sales@crosscountry4x4.co.uk. Thank you very much for looking.